Hi guys, if you have been looking for the perfect homemade samosa recipe, you're in the right place. Today, I will show you how to make a delicious samosa filling, soft samosa wraps, and how to wrap them perfectly. Let's get started. In a heated pan, add your oil, add your chopped onions, followed by your ginger and garlic paste. Add your green beans. Once you have added the green beans, stir everything together and let them cook until they are slightly tender. Add your shredded meat. If you don't have a grater, you can simply shred the meat with your hands or use a kitchen scissors. Add your grated carrot. Add your seasoning. Here I'm using lasso spice, nivina, and 1 seasoning cube of Maggi. Add your Cameroon pepper and stir well to combine. Add your sweet corn and chopped green pepper. You can also add red pepper. At this point, your filling should look like this, beautifully combined, and that is our samosa filling is ready. Let it cook completely before wrapping. 1 kg of all-purpose flour, 1/8 cup of sugar, half cup of corn flour, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. For this recipe, I will be using 5 cups of water. Don't add all the water at once. Instead, add it gradually, 1 cup at a time, while mixing continuously. This helps prevent lumps from forming and allows the flour to absorb the water evenly. Keep mixing as you add more water until everything comes together into a smooth, lump-free mixture with the right consistency.
As you can see, this dough is very easy to make. Just take your time, follow each step, and don't rush the process. You will have a smooth dough that is perfect for making samosa wraps. If you are a beginner, don't be afraid to give this recipe a try. You will be surprised at how simple it is. Trust the process, and I promise you will get great results. I'm using a non-stick pan because it makes the wraps easier to remove. The batter is light and runny, so use a pastry brush to apply a thin, even layer. This helps you get soft, smooth wraps that won't crack when it's time to fold your samosa. As you can see, the wrap is nice and flexible. It opens easily and folds without tearing or cracking. This is the perfect texture for making neat, well-shaped samosa. Once the wrap is ready, use a pizza cutter to cut it into 3 square strips. Separate each strip carefully, then fold one into a cone shape. Add just the right amount of filling. Seal the edges with your flour paste and press gently to make sure it is well sealed. Repeat the same process until all your samosas are wrapped, and that is, our samosas are neatly wrapped and ready for frying. Fry them in a medium hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.